Hello guys, in this video I am going to show you how to add your slides to the start section on the Google Slides application, thereby adding them to a separated section, so you can find them easier and mark them with a star icon. But first, I just want to mention, don't forget to subscribe to my channel, because at 10,000 subscribers, I am going to show you my whole YouTube revenue statistics and growth strategy, how to make money online. So let's jump into it. First of all, open the application on your phone. Now you should tap on that one slide that you would like to add to the start section. So click on it. And then tap on the three dots icon in the upper right corner of the screen. Now, as you can see, there is this star file option down below, which is the last option, and next to it you can see a button. So in order to turn on this function and thereby adding this slide to that section, simply turn on this button or tap on it. So now your presentation has been added to that file or that section. If you want to check the content of the start section, just simply go back to your homepage by tapping on this icon in the upper left corner. Tap on the settings icon at the top and click on Start, which is the second option. Here at this section, you can see all the items that have been added to this start file. If you want to delete it, just simply tap on the three dots icon, and then you are ready to remove it from this section by clicking on this star icon, thereby removing it from here. So that's pretty much it for this video. I hope you found it helpful. If you did, consider subscribing, and see you in the next video. Bye bye.